Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about LG Electronics Bucket Assy-Ice, part #AKC74069802. The LG Electronics Bucket Assy-Ice, part #AKC74069802 is a replacement part for LG refrigerators. It is the ice bucket assembly, which includes the ice bucket, auger, and auger motor. The ice bucket holds the ice cubes and dispenses them when needed. The auger helps to move the cubes from the bucket to the dispenser chute. The auger motor powers the auger to move the cubes. This part is used in many LG refrigerator models and is an important component for proper operation of your refrigerator's ice maker. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a broken or damaged ice bucket assembly in LG refrigerators. It can fix symptoms such as ice not dispensing properly, ice not dropping into the bucket, or the bucket not filling with ice. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the power source. 2. Remove the ice bucket from the freezer compartment. 3. Remove any screws or clips that are holding the old bucket in place. 4. Place the new LG Electronics Bucket Assy-Ice, part #AKC74069802 into position and secure it with any screws or clips that were removed in step 3. 5. Plug the refrigerator back into the power source and test to make sure it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.